What if I told you that making money on YouTube is way easier than you think? Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to level up, I'm about to show you how to turn your passion into profit with no experience required. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the exact steps to get started, including how to meet YouTube's monetization requirements, choose the best niches, and tap into multiple income streams. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing, so let's dive in. Hey everyone, it's Katie here with RGA, and I'm so excited to help you take your YouTube journey to the next level. Let's get started. First things first, YouTube's monetization rules have changed big since in 2024. Gone are the days of needing thousands of subscribers to start making money. Here's the deal. You can now start earning with just 500 subscribers. That's right, with just a small but engaged audience, you can unlock monetization options, including ad revenue and other exciting opportunities. Wait, there's more. You're not just limited to ad revenue anymore. Multiple income streams are now at your fingertips, from affiliate marketing to brand deals and even selling your own products. Best part? You don't need expensive equipment to get started, just your phone, some creativity, and a solid strategy. Let's break it all down so you can start making money on YouTube ASAP. Now let's talk about niches, the secret to unlocking YouTube success. Choosing the right niche is crucial, and it can make or break your channel's growth. 2025, some of the top profitable niches are tech reviews. With new gadgets and software constantly hitting the market, people are always searching for reviews and recommendations. Personal finance. Everyone wants to learn how to manage money, save, and invest, making this niche perfect for building a dedicated audience. Lifestyle and productivity. Tips on living a more organized, productive life are always in demand, especially with more people focused on improving their routines. Gaming. The gaming community is huge. And if you have a passion for games, this niche offers endless opportunities for growth. Educational content. From tutorials to deep dives into specific topics, educational content continues to thrive as viewers seek to learn new skills. The key is to pick a niche you're passionate about, but also one that has a demand. Find that sweet spot, and you'll be on your way to success. Content creation doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need expensive cameras or fancy setups to start. In fact, all you need is your smartphone and a little creativity. Here's the key: focus on value, not perfection. Your viewers care more about the content you're sharing than whether your video has perfect lighting or an ultra-high production value. If your content is valuable and engaging, they'll keep coming back. Consistency is what truly matters. Don't stress over making every video a masterpiece. Instead, aim for 1 to 2 videos per week. This will help you stay connected with your audience and keep your channel growing without burning out. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about showing up and delivering great content consistently. Now let's dive into the multiple ways you can start making money on YouTube. YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit the monetization threshold, YouTube will start showing ads on your videos, earning you money based on views and clicks. Affiliate marketing. Share products or services in your videos and earn commissions on sales made through your affiliate links. It's a great way to monetize your recommendations. Sponsorships. As your channel grows, you'll start attracting brands that want to sponsor your content. This is one of the best ways to earn big bucks while creating content you love. Merchandise. If you have a loyal fan base, selling your own merchandise can be a great way to generate extra income and build your brand. Patreon. Channel memberships. Offer exclusive content and perks to your most loyal followers through Patreon or YouTube's channel memberships, creating a recurring stream of income. With these multiple streams of income, you'll have several opportunities to grow your earnings and diversify your revenue sources on YouTube. Ready to grow your YouTube channel fast? Here are some quick growth strategies that can make a huge difference. Trending hashtags. Jump on trending topics by incorporating popular hashtags into your titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps your videos get discovered by a wider audience. Collaborate with other creators. Team up with creators in your niche. Cross-promoting each other's channels is a great way to expose your content to new viewers and build your community. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions in your videos, and create content that encourages interaction. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to share your content and come back for more. Optimize titles and thumbnails. Make sure your titles are catchy and include relevant keywords. And don't forget about your thumbnails. Eye-catching. High-quality thumbnails are essential for getting more clicks. By using these strategies, you can accelerate your growth and start building a strong, engaged audience on YouTube. Ready to kickstart your YouTube journey? Drop a comment below with your channel idea and let me know what niche you're thinking about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. Let's make your YouTube dreams a reality.